today's project, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the grill on my F350 here. When I bought the truck, somebody had put a bullet style inserts in here which I liked, so I'm going to see if I can swap those over to the new grill. The reason I'm changing it is, like most of you with these vehicles, the chrome is peeling off of the plastic. Okay, so I just want to get rid of that, put a nice new grill on here, see if we can save this, and should be a pretty simple project. Just going to need a couple things, a little pry bar and a Phillips head screwdriver. I'll show you what I picked up and see if we can get this changed out. Okay. So I picked up this brand new grill from Ford. Came in this box. It was packaged nicely, wrapped up in plastic. Had some foam padding around it to protect it. Even came with a new emblem in the center, so that was cool. So let's get the old grill off and we'll see if we can swap those pieces off, get this one on there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is there is 4 bolts on the top of the grill. They are 7/32. Some of them have Phillips heads. I don't know if these were changed or if these are factory. So we'll take these out. Okay, so it looks like there's some clips on the bottom here that are holding it in. Okay, so you're going to see there's some clips in here. One here, one here. And basically what you want to do is just put this behind so you can peel that out like that. Okay? It's a series of them that go along here. Okay, you just want to pry them out like that. Okay, once you pry all those loose, you should be able to just pull this out of here. Just like that. Okay, so the billet pieces that were added to the front actually poke through the factory grill and they're bolted on with 7/16" nuts. So let's get those off and we'll swap it over. Okay, and as you can see, the plates come right out. Alright, so we just need to swap these over to the new one now. Okay, so before I reinstall them, I'm just going to wipe these all down. They're chrome, so I want them to look nice and shiny with a nice new grill, so wipe all these down. Okay, so nothing special here. You just take the pieces, just drop them in. Okay, and we're going to flip it up, put all the nuts on, sock it back down. Okay, now that we have all the brackets in place, we're just going to zip them back down. Okay, and there we have it, our new grill with the inserts. So let's get it back on the front. Okay, so while I get this off, I gave this a quick spray paint just to neaten it up a little bit. And I'm also going to wax the top of this bumper. This way the grill's off, it's out of the way, I can give it a nice coat, and that way it's all set. Okay, let's get that grill back on there. Okay, so we're going to line up those clips that we took out. Make sure they're all clipped in there. Looks good. And we'll just take our 4 little bolts, put them back in here. Just want to snug them down, don't want to get too crazy with it. Okay. Just wipe off all the fingerprints. Got a nice new badge on there, which is nice because my old one was starting to come apart. And I don't have to look at that god-awful peeling. That was driving me crazy. Okay. All the tools, everything's good. And there we are. Brand new grill. Looks great. Alright guys, hope that helps if you're looking to replace your grill or if you're thinking about putting these inserts in. I'm not really sure where these came from because they were on there when I got it, but I think it makes it look really nice, a little different. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.